So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand current control set. And now you want to expand control. And now you want to click on the print folder. You want to scroll down until we find print. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the prints folder. Now once we're here, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this RPC auth n level privacy enabled. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. I'll make this bigger so you can see. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the value data on 0. So make sure in this box it has the number 0 and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find the print spooler service. Scroll down till we find print spooler. Double click on it. Make sure you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will make the service status running. And then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the print spooler service. Once you do all of this, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.